Hello students, welcome once again. So far we have used pen and paper to convert the numbers from one numbering system to another. But since we will be using the Python, we will be learning Python in the next chapters. So we should be aware of how can we convert one number from one numbering system to another using the Python interpreter. Okay, there are some inbuilt functions that I will show you and I will tell you how to use them. I will teach you how to use them, and I am sure that after using them you will feel more confident in Python. Okay, so let us take an example. Okay, let me take a variable a equal to 145. Okay, see one thing in Python, whatever number we are giving, by default it is taken as decimal and by default it is displayed as decimal. Okay, डिफ़ॉल्ट लेगा भी डेसिमल वैल्यूज़ ही, डिफ़ॉल्ट डिस्प्ले भी डेसिमल वैल्यूज़ ही करेगा, लेकिन हम इसे कन्वर्ट कर सकते हैं अलग अलग नंबरिंग सिस्टम्स में. हम देखते हैं, ठीक है. सो वी हैव ए, इफ़ यू टाइप ए वी विल गेट द वैल्यू 145. Suppose we have to convert this value into octal. So what we will do? We will use a function OCT, and inside this function we will either write the variable. Okay, हम variable भी नोट कर सकते हैं और हम directly value भी नोट कर सकते हैं. Okay, so see what we will get, 00221. So here 0 represents octal and 221 is the equivalent of 145 in octal number system. Okay, now thing that you must remember is this 0. Okay, sometimes it is asked in exams that how can you write the octal number or how can you write the hexadecimal number and what are these prefixes used. Okay, so it is very important to note down. I suggest you to note down this in your notebook. Okay, let us take another example. Let us convert a value into octal. Okay, 153. So here we are getting 00231. So 231 is equivalent to 153. 153 is decimal and 231 is octal here. सो हमने दो चीज़ें देखी कि हम या तो वेरिएबल में कोई वैल्यू असाइन करके डालें, पास कराएं, या तो हम डायरेक्टली कोई वैल्यू को पास कराएं. ठीक है. नाउ लेट अस टेक अनदर एग्जांपल. सपोज आई टेक अ वेरिएबल a इक्वल टू 00231. ओके, नाउ what it will print if I press A. ठीक है, अगर मैं A प्रेस करता हूँ, A टाइप करता हूँ, इनपुट करता हूँ, तो मुझे क्या वैल्यू मिलेगी? क्या मुझे 00231 मिलेगी या मुझे कुछ और वैल्यू मिलेगी? आई एम गेटिंग 153. 153 इज इक्विवेलेंट टू डेसिमल फॉर 231 ऑक्टल. स्टार्टिंग में आई टोल्ड यू दैट बाय डिफ़ॉल्ट कंप्यूटर विल डिस्प्ले the decimal value. By default it will take decimal value, but for any other numbering system we have to use some prefixes. Even at the time of displaying, the computer will show these prefixes, and if we are assigning the value of some other numbering system apart from decimal, we have to use these prefixes. Okay, and the other important things are these functions. Like here we have used octal, we can use other functions as well. Let us take binary, bin 153. Okay, so bin will convert this 153 into binary equivalent. So what we are getting, 0b 1001 1001. Now this 0b is the prefix for binary. Okay, let us take for hexadecimal, hex 165. Okay, so what we are getting, 0x a5. A5 is the value of hexadecimal. A5 is the hexadecimal value which is equivalent to 165, and 0x is the prefix. Can we, since so far we are using only decimal values and converting it into the other numbering system. Can we take any other value? Can we take binary? Can we take octal or hexadecimal? Let us see. Let me take oct 0b 1001 1001 and see what is the equivalent octal number. So I am getting 231. So here we observe that no matter what kind of number system you are using for your value, we can convert that value into other numbering system using these inbuilt functions